Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at Zorin OS 18. It is a Linux distro designed specially for people migrating from Windows to Linux. As you probably know, Microsoft ended support for Windows 10 on October 14th, 2025, pushing users towards Windows 11. And as many of you have noticed, Windows 11 raises a lot of privacy concerns. So let's explore Zorin OS and see if it can really step up as a Windows replacement. Let's go to Zorin.com. This is their official website. And as you can see, Zorin OS has been downloaded more than 1 million times so far. It really tells you that people are getting tired of Microsoft Windows. Let's go ahead and click on Zorin OS. One thing you will notice is how similar the desktop layout is to Windows 10. If you're coming from a Microsoft Windows background, you're going to feel right at home while using Zorin OS. Now, Zorin OS comes in two flavors. You have the free version, which is what I recommend if you're just starting out, and then you have the Pro version, which comes with a bunch of really cool pre-installed software. You can check out the Pro features by clicking on the Pro icon. For this video, we are going to stick with the free version. Let's click on the Help tab. In here, you're going to find everything you need to successfully install Zorin OS. Click on the System Requirements to find out minimum hardware specifications. After you have confirmed that your PC is capable of running Zorin OS, click on How to install Zorin OS. Now, if you're going to install Zorin OS on a physical computer, which most of you will be, you will need a USB drive with at least 4 gigs of space. Click on the download icon to download Zorin OS ISO file to your computer. Afterwards, you will need to write the ISO file to your USB drive using an app called Balena Etcher. Zorin has provided all the instructions you need. You just have to follow them to create a bootable USB drive. Once you have the bootable USB drive sorted, you can follow the steps below. Make sure your PC is turned off. Plug the USB drive and turn on your PC. At the startup, immediately press the designated key to open your boot options. If you're unsure which key to press, it is usually either Escape, Delete, F2 or F12 key. On the boot options menu, select Boot from USB and hit Enter. Just bear in mind, for this tutorial, I am installing Zorin OS on a virtual machine because I do not have a physical computer that I can test this on. Select Try or Install Zorin OS. If your computer has a modern NVIDIA graphics card, select Try or Install Zorin OS with modern NVIDIA drivers. It will take a few minutes for the setup to initiate. Eventually, you will see a welcome page. In here, you can select your language and try Zorin OS before installing. I highly recommend you try it first before installation, but for this video, we are going to proceed with the installation. Select your keyboard layout and click Continue. Keep the default options for updates and other software and click Continue. As I mentioned earlier, this is a virtual machine, so I'm going to keep the default installation type and click Install Now. Click Continue again to accept the changes to the disk. It will automatically select your location if your device is connected to the internet. Otherwise, you can manually choose your location. In this step, we will create a local user account and a password. After you have entered your details, click Continue. The installation process will start and it will take a few minutes. Once the installation is completed, you will need to restart your computer. When you log in for the first time, make sure to go through the welcome tour and get to know Zorin OS 18. You will be happy to know that it supports all popular applications, and you can even install Windows applications on Zorin OS. That's it for this video, guys. If you're feeling adventurous, definitely give Zorin OS a try. I'm sure you will be impressed with the set of features that Zorin OS has. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, take care.